How to create a highly productive work environment in your home office. If you're working from home, you need to think carefully about the environment you're going to be working in. You're now not only responsible for the work you do, but also for your surroundings. This is important, seeing as the space you work in can drastically impact on your ability to stay focused. Now you have the opportunity to create a space that is perfectly conducive to your work style and that will help you to feel inspired, motivated, and comfortable. But too many people will find that the exact opposite thing happens instead. They end up working in squalor and feeling demotivated, cluttered, and distracted as a result. Listen up, and we're going to go over how to get this right and create a home office that you can't wait to sit down to work in. Eudaimonia Machine. The Eudaimonia Machine is a hypothetical architectural project described in Cal Newport's book, Deep Work. Here, Newport explains what the perfect space would be like in order to encourage focus and productivity. One of the key features of this space was a gallery of sorts, including inspiring works and figures. Let's say that you're a writer then. This space might include a typewriter owned by a famous writer, a lot of impressive-looking books, or a quote from Shakespeare on a plaque. The idea of this is to help put you in the right headspace, to help you feel inspired and excited to get to work. Comfort. Another important thing for a home office is comfort. When you are uncomfortable, whether that's because the seat is awkward or the desk is the wrong height, this steals attention away from whatever you're doing. Invest in a comfortable chair, an ergonomic keyboard, and anything else that will improve your comfort. Physiology. Physiological factors play a big part in our mental state. Things like the level of lighting, the amount of background noise, or even the temperature can all impact on mood and well-being. Make sure you have precise control over these things. Even smells can affect the release of neurotransmitters that impact on mood. Tools. Of course, the right tools will play a big role in helping you to be more productive, as will creating a work zone that will make everything you need easily accessible from your one spot.